Hello, crafters and artisans, and welcome back to Psychedelic Squid Fiber Arts. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple PVC Niddy Noddy, mainly focusing on the dimensions of the Niddy Noddy. To start, I'm going to be using 1/2-inch PVC pipe with 2 T-joints. To cut my PVC, I recommend using one of those ratcheting PVC cutters. It makes cutting exact sizes super simple. For the short arms that the wool rests on when wrapped, I cut 4-inch sections for my preference, but you can make them longer. Before I start to assemble it, I like to stuff used dryer sheets into the PVC to help with the static it generates. Now, here's the most important dimension for your Niddy Noddy. The center piece changes the length of your wrap and gives you different lengths per wrap. So, after accounting for the PVC being fully seated in the T's, if your centerpiece is 6 3/8 inch long, one wrap around the Niddy Noddy will equal 1 yard. If your centerpiece is 11 1/8 inch, one wrap will equal 1.5 yards, or 2 wraps would equal 3 yards. If your centerpiece is 15 1/2 inches long, one wrap will equal 2 yards of yarn. Personally, I find the 11 1/8 inch to be the most comfortable to wrap my yarn on. Then, if you want, you can sand or Dremel down the sharp edges of the PVC to make them more rounded. This makes the yarn slide off a little easier, but it's not strictly necessary. There are caps that you can buy to go on the ends, but it makes it impossible to remove the yarn, so I don't recommend those. The beautiful thing about these are the simplicity and how they twist flat so you can store them easily. Thank you all so much for exploring the depths of your creativity with me. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.